The water is at his back now. We do not have much time.
I will climb down and get him!
What a nice day.
Look, Ellie. I can run faster than you. No, you cannot. Wait for me.
Slow down, you two.
Ooh. What is that?
Stay back, Max. It is not safe.
Come on, let us keep walking.
Mom, the sky is very dark.
Oh no, it is going to rain.
Quick! Let us go home.
Wait, my shoe. I must tie it.
Hurry, Ellie. The rain is here.
Wait, stop. Did you hear that?
Hear what? It is just the rain.
Oh, listen. Something is crying.
You are right. I hear it too.
It is coming from the hole. Look, down there. A puppy.
A puppy? In the deep hole?
He is all alone. He is so scared.
Oh, the poor little thing.
Look, the water is going in fast. It is going up and up.
We have to help him. I will climb down and get him.
No, Ellie, stop. Do not go down.
But he needs help now.
Listen, the hole is too deep.
The sides are wet and slippery.
Then you go down, Dad. Please.
I can go down, but I cannot come back up. Then the puppy and I are both stuck.
And the water is going up for both of you.
To help someone, we must be safe first.
I understand. So what can we do?
Let me try to reach him. Everyone, hold my legs.
We have got you, Dad. We are holding on.
I am reaching down. Come here, little one.
Can you reach him, Dad?
No, he is too far down.
Dad, be careful. It is slippery.
Pull me up. This way is no good.
The water is higher now. Look at his legs.
Look, a big wooden board.
Good idea, Max. He can walk up it.
Yes, he can walk up to us.
Slowly. Let me put it down to him.
Come on, little one. Walk up.
You can do it.
He is trying. He is going up. Oh no, the board is too wet. He slid back down. The water is at his back now. We do not have much time.
Wait, the water. It is going up. What if we do not fight the water?
What do you mean, Ellie?
Oh, if the puppy can float, the water will lift him up.
Float? But how?
Our water bottles. Empty bottles float. We have 4. Look.
That is a good idea. Quick, take the water out.
Tie them together. Use my shoelaces.
4 bottles, tied tight. It is a little boat.
Here, take the string from my coat. Use it as a rope.
Good. Tie it on and put it down slowly.
Here you go, little one. Climb on. It is safe. He is stepping on the bottles. He is on the boat. It holds him up.
Good boy. Now stay still.
The water is still going up, but now that is good.
I can reach him. Come here, boy. You did it, Ellie. He is safe. He is shaking. He is cold and wet.
Here, wrap him in my jacket. Keep him warm.
You were great, Ellie. That was a clever idea.
But you kept me safe, Dad.
Yes, we saved him with no danger. When you save someone, save yourself first.
If we jumped in, we would all be stuck.
Yes. You stayed calm. You used your head.
Look, he is licking Ellie's hand. Does he have a home? He has no collar.
I do not think he has anyone.
Then he can come home with us. Would you like that?
Really? Thank you. I will take good care of him. What is his name? I found him in the rain. Let us call him Storm. Welcome home, Storm. You are safe now. Remember, help others, but stay safe too. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.